Hi again, fourth graders, and welcome to our 14th session of our literary essay unit. And today we have a very important task on hand as we've been working with our flash draft essay the last few days. We worked on some beginnings and endings to strengthen it, and yesterday working on how we can work a little bit deeper with our descriptions of an author's craft as evidence. Today we're going to focus on the aspect of editing. You've been doing such great work with your essay so far, and today we are going to begin to edit with a very close eye, looking for the small bits in your writing that need to be tweaked to make it a more polished piece. Today I want to remind you of an important editing tip that you will carry with you through your work. This tip involves correcting the tense of your writing. Now, deciding on what tense you should be writing in can be very confusing. The good thing is there is a rule for what people do when writing about the events in a text, and that is to write in the present tense as if it is happening now. Let's take a look at a piece of writing from a student and really think about the tense of the writing. In the story, Rachel sits at her desk, staring at the red sweater Mrs. Price made her keep. She was disgusted with it and wanted to cry like she was 3. She then realizes that she was not just 11. You'll notice that the verbs that are in this example are all in the present tense, as if it is happening now. As you go off and work today, you're going to edit the tense of your writing just as we did with the example from the short story 11. After you get done with looking at the tense of your writing, I'd like you to choose another item or two from the editing checklist to work on. Maybe you want to work on the spelling and double checking your spelling. Perhaps you want to check capitalization or punctuation. Those are just some examples that you can do. So with that, we will send you off to work. And again, you're working today on editing your flash draft piece from the last couple of days. You are focusing primarily again on the tense of your writing. Look at the verbs. Make sure everything is in the same tense. Again, the easiest way is to use the present tense, the story as though it's written now. I wish you well, and when you're done with that, make sure that you work on another item or two. Look for other editing marks as you complete your literary essay for this past couple of days. Good luck.